Hello my friends, Leanna here. Welcome back. As you can see by the title of the video, I won a giveaway. I'm so excited. It came in the mail today and that's why all I have on is foundation. Because we're going to open this up and play with this puppy. I'm so excited. How many times am I going to say I'm so excited? I'm so excited. So I was playing around on YouTube and I got a notification that one of the channels I watch, Sunny's Place, L.L.C. I'll link her down below in the description box. I'll also put her IG account. She posts some great pictures of her makeup looks on IG. She was doing a live and she was doing a giveaway and she asked everybody to pick a number, I believe between 1 and 20 or 1 and 25, something like that. And my mind said 17. So I said 17. And 4 other people said 17. And so between the 4 of us, she told us to pick another number between 1 and 10. And my brain said 8. And so I said 8. And she had picked the number 8. So I won. And she mailed it to me. And here it is. We're going to pull it out. Oh. She sent me a card. So she sent this cute card. It says, with appreciation. And Noah said that they should send me some kitty cats. So I love kitty cats, as y'all know. Y'all see kitty cats and hear kitty cats in my videos. It says, hello beautiful, currently watching your Rebel Rose video, lotions and potions, LOL. Sunny and I live in the same state and she is actually only 3 hours away from me. So hopefully she and I will be able to get together soon and meet each other in person. She's such a sweetheart. I love Sunny. So thank you so much, Sunny, for, I know I picked the number, but you had to offer it to even be one. So I am very appreciative of this gift. And here she is, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette. This is the Remastered palette. Look at the packaging on this. This is just beautiful. And this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It is so pretty. Look at those colors. That is just gorgeous. I didn't know a whole lot about this palette. I did a little bit of research on it today. And you can get this palette for $65 from Sephora. It's an 18-pan palette. And the thing that I really like about it, other than that it's gorgeous, is this is a talc-free palette, which is awesome. It has 8 mattes, 8 metals, 1 black, and the black can be used either wet or dry, which is very interesting. And it has a pressed pearl, which I've never heard of, and I don't know if that's a thing or if that's just what she's calling it. Alright y'all, let's get into it. So since I'm feeling so bougie with this Huda palette, I'm going to use my rougher brushes. I don't use them very often. I'm not sure why, but it's a good opportunity for me to use them. And like I said, I already have my foundation, eye primer, all of that on. I'll put down in the description what I'm already wearing. So, I'm going to take my rougher number 15. I'm going to go into Demure, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Ooh, I may have dipped, not in my inner corner. I'm going to put that in my crease, and I may have dipped that in a little bit too hard. I'm just going to lightly pack that in before I start blending it. This is definitely putting me out of my comfort zone with these colors, as y'all know. Here I am again with pinks. That's a very pretty color. It's blending nice and easy. You can see there's quite a lot of kick up there in the pan, so these shadows are very soft. So you have to be careful when you go in with your brush. And taking that same brush, I'm going to go here in the doll face, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. That also has a lot of kick up. I'm going to keep that kind of tight in my crease. I'm not going to blend that out like I did the first one. I cannot believe that I'm putting pink on my eye. Never considered myself to be a pink kind of girl, but here I am. All of a sudden, in a Barbie's world is playing in my head. And now I'm going to take my Refer number 12 and I'm going to go here into Man-Eater. And I'm going to pack that right on my outer lid. Ooh, look at the pigment. Up to this point I haven't had any fallout, but I have just a little bit of fallout with this one. And now without cleaning my brush, I'm going to go back into Man-Eater and I'm going to mix it just a little bit with black truffle and put that in the outer corner. And now I've cleaned that number 12 and I'm going back into Man-Eater just to make that a little bit deeper. And now I'm going to take this Moda angled blender and I'm just going to soften that all out. And now I'm going to go here into Fling. This Refer number 2 might be too big. I'm going to take that and put it on my center lid. I'm going to try it dry first. That is super soft. It's not even picking it up on the brush. So I'm going to go in with my finger. That's very pretty. Well, it's not transferring very well. Let's try a different finger. That is super soft. So I'm going to try it with this little Morphe packing brush, and I'm going to wet it. That's a little bit better, but it's still having a hard time picking it up. Oh my goodness, I can't get this shadow on my lid. Okay, that did a little bit better using my pinky. And now taking my Refer 03, I'm going to go here into Pink Diamond and put that in my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with my Refer 03 back into that transition shade Demure, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash. And then using the same brush, I'm going in the doll face and put that just here in the outer corner. And then Man-Eater to deepen that outer corner up. And then just a little bit of the Man-Eater and just a titch of black. Titch. Do you see the titch? Do y'all know what a titch is? And I'm going to put that really tight to my lash line, right in the corner. And I'm going to clean off my Refer 03. And I'm going to go into this rose gold right here and put that in my inner corner. I'm going to take that Moda big blending brush and I'm just going to blend out this lower lash line just to soften it up a little bit. And then I'm going to go into this Ofra highlighter that I've been playing around with for March in my March beauty box when I did my Shop My Stash using that Refer 03. And I'm going to use that to do a little highlight here under my brow. And I'm going to put a little bit of that in the inner corner to brighten that up a little bit. My inner corners are very, very dark. Deep, dark place there. So now the palette says that you can use this black, wet, or dry. So I'm curious to see if I can use that as an eyeliner. It says to take an eyeliner brush, but I'm going to try it with this Morphe 213. And run that along my lash line. It works really well, actually. Who knew? So that works pretty good as an eyeliner. I like that. It was very easy to put that on and even to tightline with it. So I'm going to put on some mascara and finish the rest of my face. I may or may not take down my hair, and I'll be right back. So here's the final look. This is what the Rose Gold palette Remastered looks like on 56-year-old mature eyes. This is a very beautiful palette. I love the colors in it. They're very, very soft. Those metal colors are very soft. You can see where I really had to dig into that one to get it on my lid, but I think I just need to work with the palette some more to figure it out. It is a very beautiful palette. I love how it turned out. I would definitely wear this to work. Thank you so much, Sunny, for sending me this beautiful Huda Beauty palette. Like I said, I'll leave Sunny's channel listed down in the description box. Y'all should take a few minutes and check her out. She really, really is very, very nice lady. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me try on the Huda Beauty palette. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you, y'all know what I'm gonna say. Makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Looky, Christopher. We got some new makeup to play with. You're gonna be so pretty in pink. Did you ever think? Did I want you to be a girl when you were born? I don't know, but we're gonna try some pink on you. You're gonna be just as pretty as Huda. We're gonna call you Huda Light. Remember before when I told you to make sure that your eyeliner was as black as your soul? We can do that now with this, see? Mama loves you, boo. I didn't have any bloopers in this video. I may or may not have made it through a whole video without getting any lipstick on my teeth. Since there aren't any bloopers, do the funny faces count? I just sit here and make funny faces at you? This is a 56-year-old duck face.